Let's talk about what should be installed before starting the course. We need Unity Hub, Unity 2021, and Visual Studio. You may download Unity Hub from unity.com/download. After you get into the download page, just click on the blue button Download for Windows and wait until the download is complete, then install it. For other operating systems, just click on the button Download Other Versions, and you should be able to find the setup files for your OS. For this course, we are going to use Unity 2021.3 as the main version for our development. Unity 2021.3 is a long-term support version which provides a stable and reliable foundation. That means all features included are production ready. In the Unity Hub, just select the Installs tab, then click the Install Editor button at the top right corner. Then select the long-term support version of Unity 2021. And Visual Studio Community is also included if you didn't install it before. Press the Install button at the bottom right corner and wait for the installation to be complete. After that, let's get back to the Projects tab. Then click the New Project button to create a Unity project. Choose the 2D template, which configures project settings for 2D apps, including some packages that need to be used in this course. Also, set the project name and location. Then click the Create Project button to move on.